So back here, and you can see we got the finished paint, the satin finish. There's a couple of pictures. Can't really see as clearly. Came out pretty good. I noticed only a couple of spots that need to be touched out again, so that'll be when I do the forks. Here is just a quick video showing the finish there. It's kind of hard to see still, but you get an idea of what it kind of looks like with the satin finish there. Okay, so onto this back wheel. I want to see if I can get this rear brake working. Otherwise, probably will start looking for a new wheel. Just cleaning it up. I'm looking for wrenches. So just unscrewing it here. We got the nut there that has the groove for the ball bearings on one side. And then the gear. Just comes off there. It's got the like a screw on the other side, but it screws into the hub there. You can kind of see it there, all nice greased up everywhere. So I've never taken one of these apart before, so it's trying to make sure I don't drop anything and lose track of how the whole thing was together. But of course you end up dropping it. See the ball bearings there. And I dropped it all. Playing with a new toy. The actual hub there, you can see that just screws into the rubber part in the middle, which expands and presses the brakes against the hub. But for some reason this one wasn't working. Just cleaning it up, you can see that's one of the brake parts. That's the actual hub thing that the gear screws into, and it pulls it to one side or pushes it to the other side. And then it presses either the brakes against it or frees it from the brakes. So here we got the part that I believe was the reason why it wasn't working. It's slides down and it's got two tabs that go into the hub there. But it looked like the tabs on the piece I'm sliding down onto it, they were not sticking out enough to lock it in place so that when the hubs go, the whole thing was just spinning instead of piece pressing against it and causing the brakes to engage. So back and forth, I think I tried it a couple of times, putting it back together to figure out what was going on, and then realized the needing to bend those tabs out. Back and forth, put it back. And then this is the final where I got it to all finally work. So just putting it all back together. tightening it up, and testing it out. Thanks for watching. Slowly making progress. Um, this is probably one of the worst bikes I've ever bought. Usually, but again, I wanted something that I could make pretty. So it's keeping me busy, and hope you're enjoying some of the progress. So at least now the brake is working, and can start looking at the spokes and then start polishing some stuff up and cleaning things and putting it back together somewhat.